Hello, and welcome to another episode of Photoshop Tutorials with LyonsType fonts. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your own advanced book page design, using the LT Carpet text font from the LyonsType library. The document size is set to 8.5 by 11 inches, with the same resolution mentioned in earlier Photoshop tutorials. Call up your Type tool, and pick the font we will be using for the book cover first. Click anywhere on your document, and type out your words. And reposition your text to make it perfectly centered, as most books have text that is centered in certain book covers. It is recommended to have the paragraph alignment centered, so it's easier to reposition the text at the mandatory standards. To change the size of the text, move the size slider left or right until it fits the way you want it to look. You can even change the size of the initial letter of the word, but that is entirely up to you even if you're an advanced graphic designer when it comes to book designs and whatnot. Most of the time, book titles always begin with the, even though there aren't any books that begin with T in alphabetical order. The letter in a specific noun always has an initial that is genuinely arranged in the right location of letters in alphabetical order. Next, we will be changing the color of the text, differently from the way other people do it. Activate the text layers, click on FX, and click on Color Overlay. Change the color of the text that is perfectly suitable for your book cover design. To change the color of the background, double-click on the background layer that is locked, and giving it a name will unlock the layer. Pick a color in the color picker, and press Alt-Delete on a Windows or Option-Delete on a Mac to fill in the background with the color you just picked. Because every book has to have an author byline for people to learn that the book was written by a certain author, let's make one below the title design. Call up your Type tool, and this time we'll be using LT Carpet text for the byline. For an advanced graphic designer, we will be applying textures over the base of the book cover. To do this, go to Filter, and Filter Gallery. The best option for a texture is Texturizer in the Texture folder. If you need to adjust the scaling, relief, and other variable contents, they are next to the folder and gallery of filters. Now for the pages. The size is the same as the book cover, and you can use any page color tone necessary. White, vintage, anything of the like. If you're having trouble writing your own paragraph during your Photoshop session, search for paragraphs online. This includes fairy tales, stories, novels, you name it. Once you find the paragraph that you like, highlight and copy part of the text. Click on the color picker, and choose black. Draw a rectangle that almost matches the size of the document. And paste the text from the clipboard. If you want to apply an initial at the beginning of the paragraph, resize the first letter in the sentence. Change the font to LT Carpet. And pick any color necessary for the initial. Highlight 4 or 5 words at the start of the paragraph, or even words before a comma, and turn on small caps for LT Carpet text. This has been a tutorial on how to create a book design using the LT Carpet font family. Feel free to download fonts from the LyonsType library. Thanks for watching.